When we implemented WebTMA, we were in a hosted environment with a legacy product that had tremendous limitations. And a lot of that for us was cultural. We did not understand how to embrace the full benefit of what a web-based product would bring us. So we had some transitional shifts early on that we did not realize until we implemented and started using the product. That engagement over time has opened the door for us to, I think, fully utilize TMA. So we, 3 or 4 years in, realized we have got to start listening to TMA and utilizing their application as it was designed. And we're now really starting to see those benefits.
So I work with older gentlemen, and they're from a different generation, one where paper and pen was everything that you needed to complete your job. And once we had the mobile TMA devices and using the iPads, it was a shock to them. It kind of forced them into communicating with one another, because there's certain aspects of it that you're going to have to talk with another technician about. Initially, it kind of seems trying for them, but you can see the growth in them, and you can see the ones that also already had that potential, and they become leaders in a way of communicating all of these things, and this is how you do it, and oh no, let me show you how to do this. In the climate that we're in at the moment, there's a level of uncertainty, and trusting one's own skill set and feeling like you were a part of the team, and this technology allowed them to be a part of that, not feel like the technology is going to replace them. It's a coupled kind of partnership that we've created between the system and the technicians, and feeling empowered that they can take this and become stronger versions of themselves to create a better work environment that's a little more secure.
So one of the solutions that we were looking for with a new software system was we had a process that we did entirely manual for our billing for our customers. And one of the things that TMA did for us was actually built a billing module for us that was specific to the University of South Dakota. So I helped create that along with TMA. And design that specifically for our use. We basically mapped out the workflow process and how it would work. And so now we can do the entire process within TMA and provide our customers with a pre-billing before it actually hits their account. And they're able to approve or disapprove or ask questions, change funding sources. So that was definitely a key piece for whether we were going to switch over to TMA or stay with our current software that we had.